And now we can move into the supplier information. So again, this is the same information which came from your master data. So your supplier ID will be what was called in the master data your company code, as indicated there. And when you are the supplier, as you can see here, so this will be your information, your company name as well. These are other cells here. So when you're issuing invoice, you are the supplier, so that's your information there. But when you are the customer, your information will be populated in the same space for the customer. So for example, here you can see when you're the customer, that's your information again. So it goes together with the remaining master data information, such as your supplier country, your supplier VAT number used, and then the supplier country VAT number used. So everything you can see here are things that are relevant as discussed into the country specification. So if you come here and we're looking at United Kingdom and Germany, pretty much the same thing, and any piece of information that's mandatory here, that's what we've reported on the full generic template. So again, you have a whole host of information here that's required. There's no need to populate all of it. Just focus on the piece that you need. When you're a customer, as we mentioned, it's your information that falls under this area here. And of course, for sales, if like in this scenario, the transaction is with a non-UK customer, then you'll add the customer number as you've recorded in your ERP. For domestic ones, so there'll be a UK customer relevant to that specific scenario, transaction scenario, and so on. So for the customer as well, customer country in this instance is required, so we're populating it. And as you can see here, we may not always have the customer country details for your clients. For instance, if you're a retail customer, you may not necessarily have that information, but as long as you have that information logged for your own entities, then it's absolutely fine. Again, you can add the VAT numbers where appropriate,